Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we begin as we head towards the outskirts of Clinton in Henry County, Missouri. And here, State Highway 13 turns off to the right, leaving us only on Missouri Highway 7 North. We'll be leaving the city limits of Clinton shortly, and then driving through a rural area for a while. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy our videos.
Freedom! Keep your ear to the ground. Talking about freedom! It's the best show in town. Best show in town. Freedom! Young, old, all you lovers, this is our time. Talking about freedom. Let yourself be free.
I give you freedom. Yes, it's right.
Freedom.
Start right
Talking
now.
about freedom.
Get your freedom tonight.
Freedom.
I give you yes, it's right.
Freedom. Let yourself be free.
Start right now.
Freedom.
Get your freedom tonight.
Freedom. Well, freedom.
We passed through the city of Urich, which had an estimated population of 484 as of 2019. Urich was platted in 1871. The city was named for a General Urich, spelled with an extra H somewhere in there, a figure in the Siege of Strasbourg. A post office called Urich has been in operation since 1872.
Make me feel so high. Make me feel so high. You make me feel so high. Coming down again. You make me feel so high.
We conclude today's video as we enter Cass County. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.